When servicing your garage door, start with a penetrating oil such as WD-40 or similar. Start by spraying across the roller and hinge down one side. Don't forget the center hinges. And down the other side. Next, spray the end bearings across the spring. Next, check all the hinges that all the bolts are tight and secure. Next, inspect the cables for any burrs, frays, or signs of breaking in the near future. Lastly, clear the photo eyes and clean any cobwebs or debris that might cause issues. Now your door should be rolling like new again.